All of the heavy equipment you see behind me is manufactured by TZCO, using world-leading technologies, both in the manufacturing process and in the finished products themselves. A lot of these things, in fact, are going to be exported. One of the dreams of this company is to equip the world using Chinese equipment. What's striking about all this heavy machinery is the sheer size and complexity of it. It really makes me wonder, where do these machines come from? Could there be a machine that makes machines? Well, the answer is quite simple. It all starts with simple metal plates, as you see around me, and also the push of a button. 可以吗？
可以。我们这个车间现在实现了全厂的，就是说所有产品的统一套料，然后每4分钟就完成一个钢板的上料、切割、分拣到配送的全过程，做到了上线是一张整板，下线是全部是合格零件。
As you can see, there aren't many people working here. Most of the work is being done by robots.
没错，这个车间一共有100多台智能机器人，像这个就是分拣机器人，它对所有的零部件进行自动抓取的过程，然后成套发运到后面。
太酷了！这是什么？
这是 AGV 自动搬运机器人。
他们不会走错路吗？
不会，他们有无数双眼睛指导他们，给他们导航。
我看到了，是因为地上地表吗？
你真聪明。这就是我们全厂的坐标 ，AGV 小车就是靠这个坐标，然后定位，把零件运输到库位里。
很酷，这是台中最先进的一条生产线，是吗？
还不算，我们台中还有一条世界上先进的智能生产线，在轨道交通那边。
这条生产线上是世界上技术先进、智能化水平高的一条生产线，每天都会从这里面下线60多个国家、100多个型号的车轮。
这是什么车轮？
这个是客车轮。
哦，这样？
这个是货车轮，这是咱们的高铁轮。
哦，这是高铁的吗？
以前我们是按照客户的要求来设计产品，客户来什么样的单子，我做什么样的东西。现在我们自主研发、自主设计，包括取得了这个美国、欧盟在内的国际主要市场资质的认证，实现了这个出口无障碍。
This production line behind me can produce a train wheel every 50 seconds. Once the wheels leave here, they're going to be exported all over the world. And that's because this is no ordinary business. This is what's known in Chinese as 连入企业, which is kind of hard to translate, but we can call it something like a chain leading business. That means it's a sort of model enterprise with a great deal of influence on those other businesses, both up and downstream of itself in the production chain. So next time you're taking a train, take a closer look at the wheel, and you might even see that little TZ logo down there. Wheels produced in Shanxi are sent to every corner of the world, which I think represents a continuation of the Shanxi merchants' open vision